Greetings to all. This is Vaishnavi, Assistant Professor, IT Department from SNS College of Engineering. Now we are going to see about the designing a next generation graphics tablet using the design thinking approaches. First phase is the empathize phase. Here we have the user interviews, observations, and the surveys. First one, user interviews. Conduct the interviews with the professional artists, graphic designers, and the illustrators, and understand their pain points with the current graphic tablets. And then observation. Observe the users in their natural working environment, and then note how they interact with the current devices and what the challenges they face. Third one is surveys. Distribute the surveys to the broader audience to gather the quantitative data. And then second phase is the define phase. Here we have the user personas, problem statements, and the user journey maps. Create the detailed personas representing different segments of the target audience. Example, that is professional illustrator, graphic design student, and the hobbyist artist. Problem statement. Here they define the key problems based on the data collected. Example, professional illustrators need the highly responsive and pressure sensitive devices to accurately translate their sketches into the digital formats. Third one is user journey maps. Map out their current user journey and identify the pain points. Third phase is the ideate phase. Here we have the brainstorming session, sketching and storyboarding. Third one is idea prioritizations. First one, brainstorming session. Conduct the brainstorming session with the diverse teams to generate the wide range of ideas, and then encourage the wild ideas and defer the judgment to the foster creativity. Second one is the sketching and storyboarding. Here create the rough sketches and the storyboards to visualize the potential solutions. Third one is idea prioritizations. Here we evaluate the ideas based on the feasibility, desirability, and then select the most promising concepts. Fourth phase is the prototype. Here we have the low fidelity prototypes, user testing, iterative development. First one, no fidelity prototypes. Build the simple low cost prototypes to quickly test the ideas. User materials like paper, cardboards, and basic electronics. User testing. Here conduct the initial user test with the low fidelity prototypes, and then iterative development. Refine the prototypes based on the user feedbacks. And then fifth phase is the testing phase. Here we have the usability testing, yeah, bar B testing, and then feedback loop. First one, usability testing. Conducts the thorough usability test with the high fidelity prototype. Focuses on the metrics like accuracy, responsiveness, and the user satisfaction. And then A bar B testing. Compare the different versions of the prototype to determine the best design choices. And then feedback loop. Create the continuous feedback loop with the users to make ongoing improvements. Outcome. Out here we have final product, the next generation graphics tablet that addresses the pain points of the identified during the empathize phase, and then impact and improve the productivity and satisfaction for the professional artists and the designers. And then conclusion, this case study demonstrate how the design thinking can apply to the development of the graphics input primitives and the devices. Followed by this, we have that group discussion for this design thinking approaches.
Observation. Observe user in the natural working environment. Note how they interact with current device and challenges faced in the current device. Survey. Distribute the survey to the broader audience to gather the quantitative data. Observe the aspects like precision, ease of use, software compatibility. Observation. Observe user in the natural working environment. Note how they working with current devices and what the challenges they face. Survey. Distribute the survey to broader audience to gather the quantitative data.
Define problem statement. The problem statement is defined based on the collected data. Users. The target users are defined based on the problem statement which is chosen. And the user's journey is aligned based on the risk and improvement of the problem statement.
Outcome final product next generation graphics developed that address a pain point to increase empathy space. Features include high precision, pressure sensitivity, customizable buttons, and seamless software integration. Impact improve productivity and satisfaction for professional artists and designers.
Prototypes, low fidelity prototypes. This simple look of prototype to test inside yourself. Use materials like paper, cardboard, and basic electronics. User testing. Conduct initial user test using low fidelity prototypes. Gather feedback and identify areas of improvement. Iterative development. Define prototypes based on user feedback. Progress to high fidelity prototypes with advanced features and functionality.
Test. Usability test. Conduct thorough usability test with a high fidelity prototype. Focuses on metrics like accuracy, responsiveness, and user satisfaction. A/B testing. Compare different types of prototype to determine the best design choices. Evaluate the aspects like button placement, screen sensitivity, and overall user experience. Feedback loop. Creates a feedback loop with the user to make ongoing improvements.
Ideate, brainstorm session. Conduct brainstorm session with the traders team to generate a wide range of ideas. Encourage wild ideas and refers to judgment for creativity. Sketching and storyboarding. Create rough sketch and storyboard to visual potential solution. Focus on different aspects like flexibility, interface design, and input mechanism. Idea creation. Select most promised concept to further development.